18th September. All right. This is JVC PC-V55. It's a portable component system. Auto reverse, separable speakers, tweeters supposedly, and it's got a hyper bass sound, which means that inside this unit there's a speaker. I can't remember how big. I think it's a 4-inch woofer or something like that. It's got a subwoofer inside this big old cabinet here. This takes 8D batteries, and it's got auto reverse from the cassette. I'm playing a CD right now. I'm going to try to start this over, and then I have a Panasonic RX-C38, then I have a Sony CFS-D10. I actually have two of them. Two different ones. One's apart, and anyway, so I just want to get an idea of how these sound, because these are the only boxes I have that have a separate subwoofer compartment, as opposed to having outrigger speakers. Now the Sony has the speakers internal, whereas the JVC and the Panasonic, you can separate the speakers from the main unit. And then the main unit has your subwoofer inside the main unit. This one has it in front of the unit. There is no back port. The port is only on the front on this one. Likewise, the port is only on the front. Actually, you can see the speakers on the Panasonic, but on the Sony, the bass speaker is in the back. All right. And anyway, just let me let you listen to this. So this is about where it wants. Wait. So this is where it changes roughly. Playing this. Well, it did that before. This is a Durabrand CD player. Turn the bass off. That's right. Turn it on. I don't know if you can see the paper moving, but it does move. That's the tape versus that, and if you press this button it gives you the tuner. Right? Oh wait. I'm going to switch over to the tape. Alright, so we'll just unplug this. I've been listening to this all day. Alright, so now we'll play the cassette. Same thing. This auto reverse, so there's nothing on the other side. Let me just show you that for those of you who can see. Nothing on that side. Okay. I don't know how well you can hear this, but good idea of how that sounds. That's a JVC model, PC-V as in Victor 55, right? AM, FM, CD player input, auto reverse. The only thing it doesn't have a tape counter, but it has a 5-band equalizer, which is 100. I'll be brief. Where'd my magnifying glass go? wheel. I can use this. It's a, what is it? It's 100 cycles, 330 cycles, 1 kilohertz, 3.3 kilohertz, and 10 kilohertz. All right, so what was it? Yeah, 330 and 3.3. Okay. All right, and then so much for that. So I don't have this thing falling off of here. Let me just put this down the ground. Okay, so now I'm going to play this here. This is a Panasonic RX-C38, and it has line in as well, but, well, there, okay, where's the CD? There's the CD player. All right, let me this. Plug this into here, all right? Red on red, right? That one, this one, okay, and then hit play. Okay, go back. So, playing. Okay, so then we gotta turn it on. Turn it on. There's the line in. CD player, and we'll go back to the cassette and play. And we got to flip it over to cassette.
This is one.
Okay, so you understand how that sounds, right? Now, that's good. All right, so now, and this one, you know, it plays on both sides, but there's, you know, nothing on the other side. There's nothing on the other side, so, all right. So now, of course, the radio works. Not here for the radio, here for the tape. So this one, like I said, the speakers, and of course now, the similarity between this one and the Sony is this only takes 6 D batteries. It's a 9-volt unit. But this one here, in my opinion, sounds clearer. okay, because it has, I don't know, it gets pretty good bass out of this unit. And of course, if you disconnect the speakers here, you can hear just the bass, which is what I'm going to try and show you here with this other Sony unit, all right? Which is why, anyway. Okay, so now, here is the Mega Bass model that I have that got like nearly 2,000 views about, I don't know, 4 or 5 weeks ago when I made a video about it outside. And anyway, so once again, let's play the CD in it, alright? Just to keep everything similar. Since I can. Alright. And then, let's see, turn this on.
Purchase seconds, including taxes.
Volume about number 6 on here. Number 6 on the volume. What happened? Yeah. Oh, it's a CD. Come on. Well, this is the CD player. Alright, screw that. Alright, let's go to the tape then. 8. What's this one? So, there's that. Play. Put it on. Oh, we lost power. It wasn't that, it was unplugged. It's not running on batteries. There's CD. So much for that. Here, rewind this a bit. Okay, that should be good. Eject. All right. Go back to the CD, right? CD's still working. Great. Okay. Undo this. Now, I don't know if you all know this or not, but this unit, when it came, it had D10 in foam rubber and like a little pad that went across here. You could get sound through it, but it was just so old that it disintegrated. So you have to take it all apart, like this one is, the other one, to get this stuff out. And here it is. Here's, if I can get a piece and just show you how fragile this stuff is. Yeah, there's the D10, okay, but it's just, it crumbles like that. And so it's, anyway, so now, here is this unit here, which is the DoDeCaHORN, whatever. And it works. I just serviced it, and of course I took all the stuffing out of the front of it, so it's all nice and pretty, okay, but. And of course the speakers aren't connected, so we're going to hear just the subwoofer on this model. So while I'm thinking about it, let's plug in the CD player. Okay. And that there. This here. The reason why is because this one's very hard to put the cover back on. That's another story there, because you have to put it on the top push the end in and then fold it back down the front. It's just too much fun like that. So now we want to turn it on, right? That's why I had this thing down, because I can't remember all the controls in these things. Okay, so it's... So that's the radio, and that's the CD player. Skip it up to about where this starts getting the bass, about there. So it's just the bass. Does move the air. Now, shows the cassette. Okay. Radio and cassette. So here's play. That bass that's really tight, or deep, or bass, whatever. Oh, that was music search. Well, okay. Alright, we can just listen to it the whole thing through, why not? And I got the volume on about 7 or so. There is a little bit of resonance there. Really does move air through here pretty well. This is warm, not cold, but definitely warm, but not hot. This only takes 60 batteries. And of course, you want to see the folded horn that this thing has. See here. Here's the speaker in back. The batteries go in the bottom, right there, right? But this is the, we could do that too, right? So this really does move air. I just wanted to make this, show you the differences in these 3 models that I have that have the subwoofer in them. So This has a subwoofer in the back, firing to the back with a port in the front, only on one side. This side doesn't do anything. This is where the transformer and power supply is. And the Panasonic has, you know, whoops, plugged in. It's under that cord. This one has it, you know, in the front. Has the, you know, speakers in the front, right? And then this other thing. This other thing has a massive, hard to explain, but it's inside here, a massive subwoofer container on the inside, whereas the port only outputs to the front. Okay. Anyway, but just like I said, I had to take this all apart and there you go. See that this speaker here is really jumping, so is that one. This is more so than that one, so much for that. Hopefully you've heard that. Let me take that back off. Okay. Move stuff around up in here, and someday I keep wanting to get to this, but I have to make 2 more videos, something about something I bought to ensure what it is, and another radio that has been sold. Yay! Finally sold something. Sold a Panasonic RX-5031. I gotta make a video about that. So this one here, let's see here, got the CD on it, right? I don't know how long I've done here. It's been at least 3 minutes per song, per item, right? Put it on the floor. Okay, put that down there. Alright, don't have to worry about that shorting out or anything. Is this still plugged in? Yeah, it is. Still on. Ha! This for sale. I don't know, I made a video about this in my Cassette to Go YouTube channel a long time ago, but anyway. So, just me. Let's see. So, what? CD out. Nothing on that side. Ha. Auto reverse, and the tuner is okay. So the radio works. The whole thing works, right? It's for sale. It's just an odd unit. It takes everything like that. All right. Give me my cassette. Right. Give me cassette. Right. There we go. Okay, and I'll go back to this. Okay. But again, this is just a listening test, if you will. Just plugged in? No, I unplugged it, right? I need a power cord. Give me a power cord. Okay, so power cord goes here. This one I said takes 6D batteries. Okay, so eject, wait. Plug the CD player back in, right? You can do that. You can do that on all these. That's amazing. Okay. So, red, white, and then put it on.
Sold positions in your company is
Nothing on that side. Oh well. Ha! Whoop. Okay. Belts are loose maybe. Nope. What does that? Will it go back the other way? Okay. Just I mean it plays. It just has auto reverse issues. Who cares? Anyway, I've been having too much fun. This is a listening. These are for sale. In my opinion, this one sounds the best. But the Sony, I like the Sony just a tad better simply because it has the music search on the cassette, even though it's only one time. This one here, does it have music search? I don't even know. It has auto reverse, no music search. Okay. And so mic, headphones, power button, 3D button. Okay, line in. All right. And then this one's got what? What special? It's got your volume for that, AM, FM stereo, your tuning, dual volume, your reverse mode, direction mode, that, like that. Okay. Speakers come off of this one, speakers come off of that one. Speakers don't come off of this thing. But this one has what? What did I do? I didn't do it. Okay. This has line in radio tape. Mixing mic. Oh, you can do karaoke with this. Okay, you got your normal and chrome on this one, and AM and FM, and volume and balance. Okay. All right. These don't have balance because they have dual, or this one has dual volume, and this one doesn't have a balance, does it? No, it doesn't have a balance. It just has a volume. No balance. Okay, that's, well, JVC is weird like that. They don't have balance on some of their radios. They just have a volume and then tone, but no balance. Or they'll, anyway. Okay. Well, I've had fun. Hopefully you've enjoyed listening to this as I've been listening to this, because I've been, like I said, had to take this thing all apart. There goes the CD player. This one of these shock deals. Okay, that's fine. So let me just turn all the cameras off. I'm going to get you this Brother OT448 someday. In the meantime, like I said, I got to make 2 more videos. Just one camera though, not 3 cameras like I have going on here. Alright, so you can say hello to what? There's the other camera over there. And you can say hello to that camera. Like, are we having fun yet? I can't even see. Am I looking at the other camera? Yeah, I'm looking at the other camera. Hey, are you looking at this camera? There you go. Look at each other for a little bit. Okay? Then this camera over here is, looking at those 2 cameras looking at each other. Oh, that's such fun. Wait, are we really looking? Wait, I can't even see on this thing. Where are they? That's the baskets. There they are. There are the other 2 cameras looking at each other. Okay, great. Well, while everyone's looking at each other, I'm going to say good day, goodbye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Good. Okay, just hit stop on this button, right? Hit stop on this one.